Ahilan here. Welcome to the channel. In this lesson, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to increase your holiday sales this season. We all know Christmas is the biggest holiday of the year here in North America in specific. A lot of people tap into their buying mode. This is crucial. People will buy books as gifts for their friends, families, and their kids. Meaning, there's going to be an influx of customers browsing on the Amazon website. Life-changing income can be made during the holiday season. I've seen it happen many times before to my fellow publishing friends and myself included. I've seen people have months in December where they've hit $20, $30, and even $40,000 in 1 month. In December, it's not unheard of to have multiple $1,000 days. That's right, the earning potential is insane. I've personally made over $400 in 1 day last year in December. So over $400, I believe it was $470 or $450, I forgot, but it was over $400, and I made that in 1 day in December. And I didn't even do much work. So you really need to prepare beforehand for the holiday season. So my first piece of advice is have your books prepared well in advance. You need to have your books ready and optimized by summer. I would say at the least have your books complete at July going into Q4. Amazon advertising. If you still haven't been utilizing ads, you are missing out big time. Ads are a game changer and give you an opportunity to bid for the most profitable keywords. You should note some keywords for advertising become unprofitable due to competition, especially during the Christmas season. My advice is to continue to split test, experiment, and double down on keywords that work for you. This also means working on your ad copy too. Now I'm going to give you a little bonus tip for this specific lesson. You should try aiming for more long tail keywords, so the low hanging fruit, because you'll notice that the short tail keywords, especially if they're holiday season keywords, they tend to be extremely expensive to bid for and therefore unprofitable for most people. So just keep that in mind. Book descriptions. One of the most underutilized aspects of self-publishing, yet plays such a critical role. Your book description is the gatekeeper before you make a sale. Change things up during Q4. Have your book description catered towards holiday themes and narratives. Get creative. Perhaps let them know you have a holiday special going on, right? Budget. Look, you need to spend money to make money. That's just how business works. Don't be afraid to spend a little extra to make some money. Demand goes up, and as I mentioned before, keywords do become more expensive to bid for. Therefore, you need to be cognizant and have an appropriate budget in mind, right? So maybe you're going to have to cut back on certain hobbies, or maybe make sacrifices to have that extra budget for December so that you can make a bigger return, right, on your investment if you invest in advertising. Seasonal books. It's a fact that certain books do better during the Christmas season compared to others. The demand drastically increases for children's books, toy books, etc. Take advantage of this and create books specific for the holiday season to supplement your publishing portfolio. That's going to be all for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.